All right, let's generate an image. Click on Image Generation. Here you can create images by entering prompts or uploading reference photos. The left-hand menu has all of your options. First, select a preset, which is a pre-selected group of settings for the image based on the type of image you want to generate. As you can see, there are 8 to choose from on the free plan. Selecting a preset will automatically change the preset style and model to the default options for that type of image, but you can still customize your generation even further by overriding the defaults. Next is the preset style, which is a way to fine-tune your selected preset. Contrast sets the color and light contrast. There are multiple image dimensions to choose from. You can't change the generation mode or the number of images on a free plan, unfortunately. Under Advanced Settings, you can choose a different model. This is different from the preset, which can be confusing. Remember, the model is the actual AI algorithm that is being used, where the presets are the settings that the model is given. You can also choose to add a negative prompt, which is things you do not want in the image. You can toggle transparency on to create an image with a transparent background, and tiling if you want to generate a pattern. Seeding is too advanced for this tutorial, so we're skipping it for now. Phew! Additionally, there are image-to-image guidance and elements to select. Click the button on the left of the prompt box to open these options. Unfortunately, image-to-image options are very limited on free plans. But as you can see, there are a lot of cool things that Leonardo AI can do. In short, you can upload an image to guide Leonardo's generation in different ways. Finally, you can select up to 4 elements per image. Elements are another way to customize the style of the generation in specific ways by adding elements of other models to the one you're using. I'm using random prompts for this tutorial, which you can access by pressing the AI button next to the Generate button. Leonardo AI will also help you improve your prompt here if you want. Subscribe to the channel to get notified when we release our video on prompting techniques. Spend some time experimenting with these to get a feel for what works best for you. Don't be afraid to play around with these settings to see how they affect your final image. Once you have an image generated, you can select some easy options to modify it right from the image. Hover over the image. You can download it, remove the background, generate motion in it, upscale it, use it as a guidance input to the generator, or send it to the Canvas editor. That's it for the image generation tool. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks on the latest AI tools. Check out our other videos on Leonardo AI by clicking the links on screen. Thank you for watching.